So hello, we're making a cake for Mother's Day. I'm mixing and he's putting this in, which is getting ready.
Batter.
Hey Kichu, what is that?
This is the batter. The batter is made in a butter mixture with vanilla extra, sugar and egg.
Wow, that's nice. And what Jeremy is doing?
So he's putting some of this, that, in here. So I mix it. It's my job.
You're kneading it, is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't put any water even if it's sticky, otherwise it will ruin the cake.
Yeah. What is this then?
Oh, that. So
That's the egg white.
Okay.
egg white.
So after mixing, will you add it?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. What are you doing now, Jeremy? Where are you now?
I'm putting the batter inside our pan, our rectangle pan.
Is that a baking tray?
Yeah, the baking
Yeah.
tray.
So what is in the baking tray?
So we put butter on it, and then we
What is that? What is that? Baking paper?
yeah, baking paper.
Ah, okay. On that, what did you do?
So we put some butter,
Uh-huh.
and we put some flour.
All right. So now you are going to put the batter, is that?
Yeah. Now
Okay, good.
And the butter tastes really good.
Is that?
Yep.
Looks yummy though. Where are you, Jeremy, now?
now we're putting the batter in the oven for 130 degrees.
Is that 130 or 150?
Oh, 150.
For how long, Kichu?
40 to 40.
40 minutes. Yeah, that's good. Before Chiku eats the whole thing, put that in the oven. Let's go. You like Jeremy's and Kichu's cake?
It is really soft.
Is that? Very good.
Now we'll put the decoration, which will make it even more better.
Okay, good.
So,
Hi guys.
hi guys. So now it's day 2 of our project cake. So this is our cake. Remember, guys, this is a cake for our mothers. So you could cut these sides as like we did, because that's how. Yeah, it looks like a pentagon.
Oh, rectangle.
Not a rectangle, but a pentagon. Change your rectangle to a pentagon.
Yeah.
So you can just do some food touches. And we got blue and pink food coloring.
Okay.
Got some butters.
So we can mix it.
And we got some squeezers
Mix it. Mix pink and blue.
to make purple.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
And
So
we have some icing squeezers.
yeah.
So first, he's mini chef is gonna cut the butter and put it in here. And then I'm gonna put this on top and then pour our icing sugar in.
Butter. Good.
You like that?
I cut the butter and now I'm gonna pour it inside this bowl.
Okay, that's a nice amount of butter. Now it's time for sugar to take over. So I'm gonna see the sugar inside the bowl.
In 3, 2, 1.
Why don't you get out sugar? Sugar. Okay, now get out sugar. Why don't you come out sugar?
It's like snow.
Okay,
falling
now
down.
it's like snow falling down. It's snowing.
He said that because it's called icing sugar. Icing sugar.
It's like snow, guys. Oh, hello, guys. Now we are gonna beat up the icing and butter, but we are not gonna beat it. That's a fact. Okay, we'll have an opinion, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so now just remember, you need your parents' help. Like PG. This is PG, parental guidance. So we have 2 colors, pink and blue. So I see pink and blue. But if you want to be more creative, you can mix them together to make purple. And then we have more colors. So now we have 3 colors in total. So first we're gonna get the pink and put it around the cake, and the purple is for right and the blue is for
Tops.
now I'm gonna put our lovely pink icing on top of our cake.
And I am putting on our lovely blue ocean icing on the top. Triangle base. And I do not know why I have so much. But easy to bake. Right. Now I'm going to put it on.
How's it going?
Okay, Jeremy.
So I'm covering it in pink. So see, these sides are done. Almost half the cake is done.
As you can see, I am almost done.
Oh, Johan. Not the pussy man.
Hey, no, I'm not.
Yes, what was he?
You are a fuzzy man.
So I'm so pussy right now.
But how do we lift it up? The cake should not be seen. I am transporting the cake into the cake. Transporting. Finish. Ah! Nope. The cake of goodness. Now we are gonna put the dots on the cake. And this is how we do it.
Come on.
Guys, this is the cake that we made, and we had a little bit issues with the cake, but it's alright.
Yeah, it's alright, guys. It's our first time making.
Second time.
Well, it's the first time making a cake like this with proper items. So it's alright. Next time we will get even better and better, and then soon it will be even better. And maybe it might be even this tall.
And remember to clean up your mess. The moms will not like it.
They'll be very cranky. So don't clean up your mess. Love your day, girl.
No, clean up your mess. Clean up.
Okay, now we're gonna present to our mom. Happy Mother's Day and stay safe.
And to our lovely, beautiful mom.
Dun, dun, dun.